how to close the RealReal account step by step. So in here, firstly, let's get into your RealReal. Make sure you're logged into your account. And let me tell you guys in here that the RealReal actually requires direct customer service contact for your account removal. So what we're going to do is simply mail them our request, right? So simply open any of your mail application. Then from here, what you're going to do is send mail to privacy@therealreal.com. Simply type that address down, and then from your registered email address, state the request for your account deletion and data ensure, right? So after doing that, you can simply mail them your exact issue and that you want to delete your account. Then wait for the confirmation response detailing that your buyer profile is actually been closed, and just like that you will actually be able to close your RealReal account. So if you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.